This is the official guide to installing OpenClaw on Windows. Before we begin, make sure you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11 64-bit. You'll also need at least 8 GB of RAM and about 2 GB of free disk space. These are the minimum system requirements listed in the official OpenClaw documentation. Head over to the official OpenClaw portal at OpenClaw.ai. Navigate to the documentation section and locate the Windows installation page. From there, follow the link to download the latest installer package. Once the download completes, extract the zip file to a folder of your choice, somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or C drive. Now, open the extracted folder. Right-click the installer and select Run as Administrator. Windows may show a Smart Screen or UAC prompt. That's expected. Click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. OpenClaw requires administrator permissions to install its system components correctly. Once installation finishes, you'll see a confirmation message in the terminal. OpenClaw is now available from your Windows Start menu. Simply search for OpenClaw, pin it for quick access, and launch it to begin your first session. For the complete documentation, guides, and troubleshooting resources, visit the official OpenClaw site at openclaw.ai/.